I'm back again. Okay, you're probably wondering why I do not have any fireworks on hand. I still have to do this one, 200 fireworks in March. I've already done 8 of them. This video is mainly going to be about candles. I wanted to do the candles, this one, showcase all my candles. Yay! Sweet, I ended up disconnecting from the game. So... okay. I don't have it right now. I'll have to wait until I get paid. Pixel stick, okay. So mainly, these will be ran in the background. I will show them. I got 30 minutes to mortar, awesome, and I have mortars. So, okay. This one's white. I said I got disconnected. I will show what they look like and a little bit in this one, because you're going to see these ones in a later video. It's just that so I will pause and come back. On this one. That's what that one looks like. This is what it looks like when I'm out of up close. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. We're doing limited, no, not limited, no, limited, candle cake. Okay, that one was only 9 hours and some stuff left. Just limited in general. I'm going for the ones that have days left. So we're not worried about those ones. We're gonna go with regular candle. Pixel stick was my last one. That should be it. I'm still setting up these fireworks. We're gonna go with five. And I'll show you what they look like from first person point of view. Hold on a minute. That's 8.